Watch it, man. You don't know, say one puppy than from your see title. You know what time it is. The movie I call Wicked Mother. People, watch the movie to the end. Tell a friend about Wrld TV, because we're there, a brand new movie. What me say name? Wicked Mother. And I just want to pick up Miss Shireen. You understand? You know, such a sponsor mic towards Wrld TV and Coloring Book TV. Big up yourself. Heart of love. Coloring Book. What you have?
Rum, Miss Shireen, big up yourself again. Thanks a million times. You see me? The energy we put out and sponsor the money. But here we go on. You see a movie based off of one true story. So we have to just drop it on the media. So when I go like, share, comment and tell the world, I think movie like this, most people like them go through this in a real life. Mother, daughter and them things. You get what I say? So we just drop a movie. The people that go through this in a real life, when you can just have an idea if you just know. Say sometime in a life, we have to learn, to give. If people forgive on in a life. So remember, when you move in name again, Puppy Dan, Wicked
Mother. So watch it to the end and
so,
tell me what you think.
Wicked Mother, open to learn after this here. Room. Wrld TV, room.
Sean, you see your face? Sean? Just look on your face. Oh, you're going like so you're innocent and you're all. I not even know what to say because guess what? I just can't believe. Youth, me I tell you, no, mommy please me. No, mommy please me. You understand what me I say? Your father work hard, Sean. Hard, your father work for bringing money. And me can't. You would, me no know, Sean. Sean, hey, you're stressed right now, Sean. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, Sean.
Mommy, please, no, please. Just make we talk, no, mommy, please.
Alright, talk. Talk, Sean.
Mommy, please. I'm sorry, I didn't happen again, you know.
It not happen again, Sean. It happened already. Sean, you can't stay here. You can't stay here, Sean. Me, you can't stay in the house.
Call daddy, right?
Sean, listen what me I say now. Just listen to me good.
Mommy,
listen. You keep on and say sorry, and sorry is a sorry word. That's what I want you to know. Imagine, we build a room for you, Sean. You get everything what you need. Everything. If you not get it the same time, Sean, believe say you get it, Sean. So imagine, just imagine, Sean, you got one of the brightest school in a Lucy. You go to the brightest school. And Sean, this is what... Sean, me can't believe you. Me can't believe you. It's like, are you in a community guy brightest school and you're worse right now? Sean, just go on. Sean, get out. Come out.
Mommy, please.
Sean, get out. I don't understand that. Sean, me know you know English. Sean, go on.
Mommy, I go, we don't have nowhere to go, where be I go.
Sean, go on, you never think about that. Sean, go on, hurry up now, man, hurry up. You left your bag. Father God, why? Why, God? And our Father God.
Mommy, please, mommy, I can't do this, mommy, please.
We never have a perfect life.
Mommy, please.
Never have a perfect life.
Mommy, please, open the door now, mommy. Me are gonna make it right, mommy. Please, oh, mommy, please. Please. Mommy, please. Mommy, please.
God. All we do is try to give our life and we never get, Father God. And it come like a disgrace. Oh God.
Rotted. Like daddy asleep, man. Like you don't feel good. I want to call to make you know say me I go out the door. How would this now? Hello, morning. What happened? Hey, how are you say to me? Congrats, man, me feel good for you. There on a yard, yeah. Me and daddy. Let me just go check him out again in the room. I'm going to talk about something but like you don't feel good. Alright, let me call you back. Later. Sean. Sean, I want to you. Hello, young lady. My niece want to you.
Me weak and dead.
Sit down. So. Where you go with bag?
Jesus Christ.
Warm to you, Sean.
Auntie, me.
Warm to you.
Boy, Auntie, Jesus.
Sean, warm to you. Who trouble you? Warm to you, Sean. And where you do with bag? This is a big bag here with too much clothes.
Auntie, me can't take this somewhere.
Where me no can't take this somewhere? What happened?
Me can't take this somewhere.
What happened to you, Sean? Come on, get up. Sit down here, so. What daddy? You know some daddy in the house and you sleep, you don't feel good. What happened to you, Sean? Kind of problem, what kind of stress you under, so?
My life.
Where you come from?
My life done. Mommy put me out.
What you mean mommy put you out? Why your mother put you out? What you do, Sean?
Mommy put me out.
Sean, what you do make your mother put you out? What you do?
Auntie, me no
Sean,
do
what you do?
Me no do nothing for true. Me no do nothing.
What you mean say you don't do nothing and she just put out yourself with all of your clothes and look on the big old bag? Where you walk come from?
He throw me out.
So make him throw you out. What you do? I have you sit in your do, Sean. What you do?
Oh God, Auntie, me no do nothing.
She just put you out for no reason at all, so?
Me no do nothing. Me no do nothing.
This no look good and this no sound good. Come on, no be honest to me and no tell me no lie. What you do? Cause sit in your do.
Auntie, call daddy. Do me a big. Me no
My phone there. You know say me go for my phone. Me don't call your father.
do nothing, Auntie. Jay.
Take up your bag and go on in the house. But me have to find out what you do today and where you come from with too much clothes in a bag. But your mother throw you out. Foolishness. Me call your father. And remember say Mr. Daddy asleep. No make no noise in my place. You call to your dog, you know. This can't sound good this morning and I look good none at all. Hello?
Yeah, hello, sister.
Morning, T-Dog.
Morning, Chelsea. It is. What's up, my sis?
Where you going now, my brother? You know, say I want to talk to you about something.
Yeah, man. I'm
Bro-
there working now, still in, but what go on?
I run a yard and this kind of look urgent. My daddy run a yard and in a room and I not even feel
No,
too good.
what wrong with daddy? Daddy good?
He alright, but
Okay.
me see him sleeping like he don't feel too good. So I come out upon the veranda now, come sit down for make one call. I see Shana Bala tear down the whole yard and come round here.
Hold on. Who you say I cry?
Your daughter.
My daughter cry?
Yes.
One to her?
Shan there on the ball on the whole place with one big bag of clothes and say he mother throw him out. And me I try to find out from her what she do. Make her mother throw her out of her house. And now me can't get no response from Shan. She don't tell me say she don't do nothing. She don't do nothing at all. So her
No,
mother
man.
just
Hold
throw her
on,
out.
man.
So.
Hold on, man. Me know, me hear what you say, but what you say? My daughter cry say mother throw him out of the house?
I throw him out of her house.
Throw him
And I
out
know-
of full house?
And I know prank my brother and come with one big bag of clothes and he have one next bag pan him back and in the ball him done in can't bother him done with
So
this
hold on,
and
hold
done.
on there. Shan no said nothing where him mother make him mother throw him out.
Shan can't give me no response,
Hey,
no valid.
alright, me
no.
a forward right now. Me a forward.
No pay that wait pan you, alright.
Seriously, I'm going to know Mr.
To be same thing what me been a tell you. It's like me not have no strength. Me just stress out and everything. Because guess what? Can't believe say my daughter really disappoint me like this. It's like half of my life gone right now. You get what I say?
Yeah, man. But, mom, no worry, mom. Everything will go alright. You hear, mom? Everything will go alright. A normal prayer. Just go and hold them. You hear?
Tibi,
No make nothing bother you. Go and hold them, man. Everything will go alright.
tell her to stop calling me mom. I Tia my name.
Alright, Tia. No worry yourself. You hear?
And
Everything
to
will
tell
go
her the
alright.
truth, I really appreciate it. I not tell her no lie because from a longer time you're always there for me. You always have an understanding. Me can talk to you about anything. And when I talk to you, it's like me feel better in myself.
Yeah, me know, man. You feel better. Remember, say, me always there for you, man. And always a chat to you and things.
And that, you alone.
Yo, later me pay you.
My brother, calm down. Breathe. Calm down. Me know say Shan you come but me just call you.
What you say do, Shan?
Shan,
What happened to Shan, my sister?
hold on. Shan come and Shan a ball. Shan have two big bag of clothes, matter of fact. One pan him back and one in her hand. All Shan come and drop down in her place. Me say to Shan, say, Shan, what wrong with your knees?
You not tell
happened to you? All now Shan just a tell me say he done, he mash up, he done, he mother throw him out.
Him mother do what?
Him mother throw him out of the house.
Him mother throw him out?
Yes, she throw him
So
out.
she not tell her where him mother throw him out for?
She not tell me all now. That's why I call you. Because look, you know, as a father, you know what you do for me? Take time. As a father, I want you to find out from your daughter what she do for your mother throw her out of the house.
Anything she do, him mother not supposed to throw him out of my house. Fool with house. The house where me and him build. From where, you know, for where me and him mother come from, and the little girl.
Well, I don't know prank, I don't know hanky-panky business. Shan in the house.
What daddy there? What daddy?
Daddy in the house, they don't sleep, my sleep in the house.
Where Shan? Where Shan?
Shan inside
Shan
the
in the house?
Yes, Mr. Larry in the house, you go sit down. Come tell her, say me I call you.
Me a forward them, my sister. Shan, my daughter, what happened to you?
Daddy, Jesus Christ. Daddy, where
Shan.
mommy there? Where mommy there? Where mommy there?
What you worry about, mommy? What happened to you? The auntie tell me, say, your mother throw you. Why your mother throw you? What you do? Shan, me a talk to you, what you look for? What happened to you?
Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it again. I'm sorry.
Shan, you confuse me. What you do what? What you talk about? What you talking about?
Daddy, I'm going to lose that for me. Daddy, I'm going to lose that for me.
Shan, baby, my daughter, calm down. Shan, what you talk about? The only way we can fix this, you have to tell me what's up, you have to tell me what I want. Shan, you get me confused. What happened to you?
Daddy, me say me sorry. I'm not going to do it
Sorry
again.
about
Me
what?
sorry, Daddy. Daddy, Jesus.
Sorry.
Me sorry.
Shan, calm down. Calm down. You make me a stress. My blood pressure go up. What happened to you? Why you cry when mommy throw you for? Your mother not supposed to throw you. What happened to you? Me no want you focus right now because you got one of the brightest school right now in a Lucy up a receive. What happened to you?
Daddy. Daddy, I'm pregnant.
No. Shan. No, Shan. My daughter. No, what you say? Move your hand for your mouth. Me not hear what you say. Shan. No, move your hand. What you say? No, Shan. What you say, Shan? Shan. What you say? Shan, you're pregnant. Jesus Christ, Father God. Shan, you're pregnant. Father God. Have you saw your mother throat you? Shan, how comes? Go you do good in that? Father. Shan, you sure? You sure you're pregnant? How long you pregnant? How long? Jesus Christ, Father God. Where your mother? Where is your mother?
She told me what she did around her yard.
So that's the reason why she choked you? Just give me a minute. Me can't deal. Give me a minute.
This no sound good at all. No sound good and no look good. My brother, oi, hold on, T-Dog. Oi, me attack you. Hold on. Me attack you. Where you go? What going on in this family, man? It be a disaster in a place for a man in Shan come here with theme problem. Daddy in a place no feel sick. Mr. Long yourself go up and I'm not mother feel like going away. Who alone no got problem? Can't mother this a place and that too, you know.
Are you alone, me love when cut me hard? Like, me no want nobody else to cut me hard.
Boy, if you tell the truth, you know, to your whole heap of yard me cut, you know. But me don't know something about for your yard. Me love cut your yard. Me cut it perfect.
Yeah, man, you always brush it down.
Yeah, man. Good thing, yeah,
Tia!
What excitement for?
Tia, I want to talk to you.
Alright, Miss Tia, later here.
Alright, Timmy.
Tia, I want to talk to you.
So talk now.
Tia, how you for show to data? Eh? How you for show to data out of our house, Tia?
What you mean by why me throw with daughter out of your house? Alright, let me tell you, cause since maybe you don't know. The reason why me throw Shan is because Shan make the same stupid mistake what me make as a level grader. Growing up, when Shan became a teenager, me explain to Shan, me tell Shan, say when me in a level grade, me get pregnant with her. And Shan disappoint me coloring book and you go ask me, you have the audacity, and ask me why me throw her out.
Tia, you're ignorant, me ignorant. Because of the whole situation I go on with for daughter. You know me feel my daughter call me and tell me say mother throw him out. And in care, a matter of fact, even my daughter call me. And my sister. And when my sister can't tell me why. And when you tell me say my daughter inside of the house asleep over daddy house. And when I go in and go talk to him, I'm trembling, I'm fret. When you tell me say I'm pregnant, you know how I feel? More use the bathroom, more ride the bike, my head a tear off, my blood pressure up. In wrong. In let down you and me, let down herself. She got the brightest school up a Lucy in a 11th grade. And she get pregnant. One time I want to squeeze her, I want to thump her, I want to fling her in the wall. But as a big man, me calm down. And you know the reason why I tell him saying wrong. I know how you feel as a mother, because you know the reason why me and you fall in the same trap where daughter come fall in. Remember say when you go to school, in a 11th grade, me get you pregnant the 2 hours you go to school. And when you listen, your mother throat you. And my shoulder you cry upon and ball, and every night, me have to jump out of school and go work on a site and rent a little cheap place. And I me in a little one room. We shit in a Heineken bucket and we piss in a Heineken bucket. Till me can buy one fan and one bed. Look for me here now. We have one place. You are going to make the same mistake what your mother make. You are going to show to your daughter. She never did it for you more you did it for your daughter. Although she wrong. I just that me I say.
Coloring book. You see what you said to me right now? It don't make one sense. It don't make one sense because right now all me see I do, I bring up back my past. I tell me about what my mother do, what from what my mother not do. That is what you tell me. That cannot change the fact that Shan, where we school, where we sacrifice, and how much time me in here and want slippers and me can't buy. When you give me money for do what me need for do, and Shan me spend it on.
Yeah, hear yourself. Yeah, hear yourself. Your mother and your father never did it for you. And you and me did it for you. We did it for one another. And maybe we're not great, but we're good. So look upon you now. Your mother chote you, and you chote full daughter, our daughter. Who are going to do that for him? Him now nobody for do that for him. And we have to do that for him,
So
Tia.
here one, just like how you did it for me, she need to go find her picnic puffy did it for her too. Me cannot do this with Shan. Me and Shan cannot live under the same roof. Me and no woman now share the same house. And that me say. So me don't know why it's like, on my side you depend or what? Which side you depend? You depend the right or you depend the wrong?
Tia. Yeah, hear yourself. Not up on nobody's side, me up on my family side, me up on my daughter side, me up on my baby mother side, and me up on my side. Tia, you hear yourself. You can't use what your mother did in the past and you take it out against your daughter. If you not change it, your mother could not change it and you have to change it. If you not change it, the same thing will happen to your daughter. It will happen to film daughter and the same thing will continue. Can I tell you something? I love you. I don't know when you change, but you change. But me did it for you and you did it for me. The only thing me ask, did it for your daughter. No make no man go use it, no making one next pitney, one next pitney, one next pitney through never did it for him. If you no want to do the fear, me I go do the fear. And last year of school is, and she bright. No let him down, like how your mother let you down. All know your mother not talk because of what she do. Then so who feels it, knows it, me feels it and you knows it. Me will tell you what we're going on now. This is a full house. And you can't throw your daughter out of it. A full me you work for this and fight. And much of this house set up on family land. Remember say me give over 1.6 million, you know. Say if you build a house yourself, because your family and live down, you say, you know, down a Zara, down a Paddy. Them now look on you, you know. Someone you have something for yourself. If me and you fall out, you can have something for yourself. So me just have to give a week. Just make your daughter stay run a daddy, run a my sister. Me I give you a week for you calm down yourself. You can't show your daughter. You see him tribulation where you go through, a hitch you go through. I mean, no, I'm not wrong. Just think about this. I mean, I take up for my daughter because my daughter wrong. I feel like more holy man. I'm squeezing short. But by any idea, now it make no difference. The tear when me know, I tear more and find back. Just look into yourself. I go around and say, come here to go back to work. A matter of fact, how the man does so?
I am choppy yard.
Oh, I am choppy yard? That's why yard always so clean. But listen what I say to you. A big woman and big man thing this. It don't look good. We can't make this reach out the road. So you throw out your daughter. Just think about this. I know you're stressed out and you have all the right to stress out. I have to go back to work. I don't know if I come in tonight or tomorrow. You understand?
Me nah forgive her. It's same hole when me drop in her. It coming like she can't dig out her back. She drop in a one deeper hole. I don't know what coloring book I tell me say, you know.
Coloring book, I pray.
Ali, how are you going?
I want to you.
You know, so no disrespect, me not really feel like talk now. Your friend, my baby mother, my woman, Tia, she now act like she have sense.
You mean by? I want to have you now.
Me I go all the reason again, I swear. I feel like me have to talk again. Right now, me just upset. I don't want to say what me have to say. Sharon, you just talk some sense in for me, please.
Right,
me I go back to work, I'm late.
Yeah, when I come now, when I come.
All right. Yeah.
This can't bother.
Tia! Girl! You can't come up in your place.
Come on, we'll take off your slippers.
Somebody go wear my slippers, come in here. How on?
But there, girl.
No man, I want to look so.
One bag of stress and problem, friend. When me tell her say, problem, and more problem. You don't know, say, I don't even know how to say this. Because it's like, me not gonna say me shame for talk about me disappointed.
Talk about what?
You don't know say,
No, say what?
Shan pregnant.
Shan pregnant?
And me throw her out.
And that's why him father a go on so. Well, and me not hear what you say. Come again, wait there. Again, talk again, what you say?
Shan pregnant and me put her out.
Jesus Christ.
And it's like me alone a fight, a battle when me a fight. Because when me think say coloring
Listen.
book would have dep on my side, it's like coloring book. I pick up for Shan and I get me don't know what to say.
Me ask you a question. Why you throw out your daughter? True she pregnant or true your mother threw you out when you pregnant?
Aliyah, imagine. Me go through the same thing where Shanna go through. Me pregnant at the age of 16 plus when me in 11th grade. Me never have no mother, no father for did it for me. A coloring book did it for me right through from the start of a pregnancy to the finish. Till Shanna how much year old now. You get what me I say? And all of this will happen to me. Me explain it to Shan when Shan a teenager and Shan a go through puberty. Me talk to Shan. Me even give Shan advice of safe sex. Me talk to Shan and he come like say me no know Shan. Shan not learn.
Dear, listen to me. You see, just because your mother throw you when I get pregnant doesn't mean say if you do the same thing to Shan. And that's why I see why coloring book not even want to talk to me.
You know, not understand.
Let me finish. Your mother throw you out when you're 16. You control Shan when she's 16. That don't make no sense. Your mother and father never did it for you. You for did it now for your pitney. Your mother throw you out and you go out there go fight rough life. You want Shan go fight it too?
Aliyah, me understand what you are saying now. But guess why problem? That is all me know.
Exactly.
You get what me I say? Me no know no other way. It's like Shan let me down big time. Me disappointed in a Shan. Shan pass her GSAT and go to Rusty's high school. One of the brightest high school in a Lucy region, in a Westmore, you all of this region here. You get what me I say? You know how much night me sit up with Shanna study I do. You don't understand. It come like you not get what me I say.
Understand. Me get what you are saying, but at the same time, me get where coloring book a come after. Because coloring book already have you, and you already have coloring book. No, you know, if you say if you try put Shan on one different part, make Shan have you and have coloring book to run to and say, mommy or daddy this and that. And bear in mind now, me know Solandish, the guy will get Shan pregnant, he in a picture.
I don't know.
See it there? The world knows a coloring book a good man. You know a coloring book a good man. Me know a coloring book a good man. You sure say the man where Shan get pregnant for a good somebody? You don't know that, you know? And you're gonna put out your daughter. When you supposed to be, as far as how me see it in the coloring book, I go there if you right out, you know. Are you a problem, you know? You are make you what happened to you in a past reflect by your daughter, you know.
So me a problem now. And me a problem now. Eh? And everybody, you coloring book, only just a digging in me pass so. Awa. Eh? It pass gone already and me try bury it and Shan just for a real copy. Hey, yo, what you don't even know, man.
You know, me need to come back contact you. Me have some things to deal with. Me have to come back contact you. You know, no one good safe me talk to you. Your brain now function. Me come back and link you. Tia, me know where I go through, you know. Me understand say your past dig up back, you know, but me have to come back contact you. Boy. No, me see why. No, me see what my coloring book now want to talk to me this morning.
Nobody not understand what me I go through. Nobody at all but me and God. Up to a worker man understand what me I go through.
Yeah, hot bad. What no, my brother?
Sister, what go on?
Talk to me. How you look so? What with you?
You what go on now? I'm kinda late. I tell my baby mother, say, I not think me I go come home back tonight from work. But me need to come home back. Cause tomorrow, although me not tell you what go on, tomorrow me go tell you everything what go on. So just bear with me, please.
Can't wait for know what go on. Cause everybody lock off the light and have me a bounce in the dark, you know.
Don't worry about that, man. You see me? Just give a eye for my daughter for me. For your niece,
Sean
please.
good, man.
And one more
Sean
thing.
good.
Tell daddy say me forward here. Cause me if you see him tomorrow, we give him some money.
Yeah, because you're busy around up and down and I beat down all the place and you all over the place. And now we don't see you.
Yeah, man. Just talk to him. Just tomorrow, you know everything.
We don't have no problem to do that, brother. Look, you know, guidance and protection.
Yeah, man.
You say you have to go to work.
Love you, yeah.
Do what you have to do. And remember, say tomorrow, me want to know what they go on.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Because everybody in that place have me in that dark, you know.
Just
Me I wait for the
tomorrow,
light
man.
to come back.
Tomorrow, yeah.
JPS cut off the light. Me I wait.
My daughter, you let down your mother. You let me down. But if your mother and you will let you down and I want to do it for you, me I go do it for you. Me not going to let you down. The whole will make mistake. You're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. But me don't know what Father God I do up there. But he must know. So me I work with Father God and work with you. Me I need to talk tomorrow. Because me not let you go. Tomorrow me care make you talk to your mother. Here. Please, just put a eye upon her for me. Please, here, she go to let her know. I promise you tomorrow make you know what I go on here.
I no problem with that, my brother.
Later, love you
Guidance
here.
and protection, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, go easy.
It's a girl that take too long, you know, man. Coloring book.
Yo,
One tea.
Puppy Dan.
What go on, what go on?
Jesus Christ.
Long time in a see man run 3-4 days now.
me there, man. What go on?
Me there.
I work my father, man. You know, nothing change, no, man.
Yo, me did feel link here, bro. Cause one little cat you me I talk to, me know say I manager for his site up, so. So me no know if you could know if you could give her a little work one at a time. Them boy look like you're in a hurry.
Me kinda me I go through all of things right now, but season kinda slow right now. I go in now, October.
Yeah.
Things I will pick up in November. Just tell him to write up when he write up.
Yo, I see that I did bright, yo. You
Yeah,
know,
man.
say other day me follow for me woman go up a Rushy school. Cause fear, not fear daughter, fear
Rushy
sister.
Yeah.
Daughter go up there. And me I hear say fear daughter come first in class and everything.
Yeah,
you know.
she bright, man. I last term this.
Yeah, man, but your woman good, man. Me all pass through to me see your father. Me hear
Yeah,
say
daddy
like,
kinda sick out, look with it, you know.
Yeah, and me see
A
your
sister up there with him.
Your sister do it right, man.
You see me?
But
So-
one walk man up a yard, man. Cause me go up more while I see him. Like me go up a few days, I see him. You see me? Me don't know how that the yard the bush is so much, but me see him
You
up
know,
a couple
say-
times. One walk man.
You know, say through my work and I run off hotel for boss way. You see me? So sometimes I'll 2-3 days me no go up there. So you know, me always go down and see the yard cut and clean. So maybe I'm a cut here.
Yeah,
you know?
man. Me like.
Cause you know, so me pass him look well and show me never realize. You see me? Yo,
But
a
yo,
whole heap of thing. Me need to talk tomorrow.
Yeah,
a
bro.
whole heap
Cause
of
me
thing.
just say like sitting out bad you know, like.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
Everything good up a yard there.
Yeah, man. But watch out now. No. Me I forward tomorrow. Me need to talk to you tomorrow. Me can tell you everything what I want.
Alright.
I need somebody to talk to.
Yeah, man. I'm a girlfriend.
Yo,
wait pan, man.
tell her if you right there.
Car come.
Oh yeah, wanna come pick me up. Tell her if you write up the something. them.
Application.
Yeah. Respect here.
Alright.
Yeah, look more here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We
man.
link
Alright,
it.
daddy.
Keep your bird active.
Yeah,
father?
yeah.
Yeah, B. Which way you say there now? Alright. Just tell him if he come up in our lane, man. Me pay him extra if he come up in our lane. Stacy, you hear me? The virgin say. No, B. No, man. Sorry about that, man. Just behave yourself. No, Kim, and no other woman me have, man. I want a virgin woman a pass the name Stacy. So me I yell up her and say, Stacy. When you forward me a talk, man, me just want you deal with application because for me boy I need woman just pass it. So that's why I just say Stacy, so you no come me a talk. Boy work, I him me a tell about. Alright baby. Love you, Kim.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, I never know say it here.
Shan, morning.
Daddy. So daddy, you come and I know say it here.
I come in late last night because basically me tell you say me will come tomorrow that I want today for we talk, but basically me know say I got your stress, so me forward late last night from work. Make somebody a filter in a work for me.
Yes, Daddy. Daddy. You think mommy are gonna forgive me, Daddy? You're over here, you know, mommy no need you over there now.
Just like when me say me tell your mother say me I come in tomorrow that I want today. But when me look into it and me da work, me I do people work. Your mother need me and you need me. But me feel like you need me more because your mother a big man. So that's why I'm there for you.
Daddy.
So you go bathe and then you go check your mother, come on and bring you go talk to your mother for you apologize. Yes, daughter.
Daddy, me no think mommy are gonna forgive me. And then now, Daddy, me think me just want to have a baby and go back to school, go finish my education, Daddy.
If you tell you the truth, not true me there for you, like, me not have it again, so but, like, me even myself not get over it yet. Me not sure me forgive you, but only one thing me know. By any idea, me can't left you ush part of there. I'm one never left you where you're there. And me just feel like I just angry your mother angry right now. But that's the one of the reasons why me want to talk to you. Me not ask you what you plan to do. Because me no want you have baby and sit down, you know. So what you plan to do with your life? Me no want you sit down here saying after you have baby, you know.
No, Daddy, I tell you, me just want to have a baby and go back to school, Daddy.
Me always talk about teaching. You want to go back to teachers college or you want to go to college?
Yes, Daddy. I want to go back to teachers college, Daddy.
You sure or you want to go to college?
I'm sure, Daddy, a teachers college.
Alright, you what me I say? Me have a US account where me a show a partner. And me have a next partner where me a show it Carlin run a Whitehall. Me have a next partner where me a show it Pete. And me have some money where me not save. Your mother have some money for me because me get your mother pregnant early in a school. And the house of my house, but a fair house. Yes, so me just decide say him family him down so I not look on him. So me just decide say me not give him $1 million for save so he reach $1 million and had.
Okay.
Say what happened to me and him in the future, him have a money can build a local house.
Okay, Daddy.
So me have to put them money together and make you go to college. Because I want you prove him wrong, you know.
Okay.
Your mother now, him vex and him feel away, but just sit through him.
Okay.
Him have to turn around.
Yes, Daddy.
So me have to make you go, me have to talk to your mother. So when you finish, you just get up, but do what you have to do.
Yes, Daddy.
And not because me there talk to you, me still have a bitterness in me for what you do.
Yes,
but if me go hold you again, so maybe you're not going to change or you're not going to try to get up off of the job or your job. I'm going to talk to your auntie and I'm going to wait for you out of veranda. I want to bring you to talk to your mother. You hear?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, just pray before you get up and go bed. Just pray. Yes. Father, all if you can't pray, Father God will do everything else. Here?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
Yeah.
And straighten up in my place to me, please. Here?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright. Sean, I love you, my daughter. Here?
Yes, Daddy. Love you
Alright.
too.
Daddy.
What go on?
I'm there, man. What go on?
Boy, I'm there, you know.
I'm there, man. Me come here yesterday, you know. But you're not asleep, so I don't know if my sister, Chelsea, tell us me forward you can link. You see me?
Okay, yeah, man. Tell me say you come, man.
Because she tell me say you don't feel good on something.
That's I think, man, you know.
So you feel it now?
Right now, I feel a little better, man.
Boy, from when me come check you and talk to you, because through the local hotel where I run off up a beach for the boss and you know me a manager, so me can filter in like how me filter in. You get what I say?
Yeah, man.
So me figure one little thing to you, because I know through you don't feel good, I know you need to go work on them thing there. I need to talk to you, but I wait till you feel better. You get what I say?
Alright, sir.
I don't know what you want, if you want.
Yeah,
know.
Man. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
May the Lord continue to bless and keep you, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
All
man.
of things. So, me there here now, so I go check. My baby mother had a tear. And then me forward back. You get what I say?
All
Your
right.
granddaughter around there, if you know, you know. Tia.
Yeah.
Shan.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so you and him can talk.
Alright.
Alright, me soon forward.
Yes,
Yeah, daddy?
Yes, man.
Alright,
Bless up,
respect.
man. Yes,
Yeah, man. Alright.
Thanks again.
Yeah,
sir.
daddy. Yeah.
Alright.
Sister.
Morning, T-Dog. What happened?
Yeah.
What you do over here? Are you sleep last night?
Yeah, I sleep here last night.
So you sleep here, I don't know, you come here and call me. I'm in my room and I come out and now to see how I cut the house. So we live now?
Sorry about that, man, but here I go on. Remember when I talked to you yesterday, I tell you, say, I'm kind of late for work, so I will come in tomorrow that I want today.
Yeah.
But basically, I do work and I realize, yo, I do people work. My family need me. So I just get somebody to fill in for me.
Oh,
so
yeah.
last night, late when I come in, you're not sleep, daddy not sleep, and my daughter not sleep. So I don't really go over my baby mother over here. I just stay with my daughter because I feel like she need me more or my baby mother need me. So I'm sorry about that, you see me?
So, yesterday when you talk to me, you say I got to work with you. But I never look for see you so early because I not even didn't know say you there. You understand? So I'm glad you know say you get somebody to fill in for you and you do so and you come forward. But yes, my niece need you more. My niece need you more. I want to go on with chance so. You know lock off your light and left me a bounce in the dark from when? So you're there now, you must can't tell me this morning because you can't leave this morning and tell me what
you go on now. I will turn on back the light now. Because you're in the dark with you. So current come back you know. You get what I say? Your breaker box good?
Yeah, it work. All I bulb them screwing everything.
Matter of fact, I just talk to daddy and I tell daddy. I never tell daddy what I want. Because I don't want him stress out. But you what I say now, sis. Ah boy.
Nobody the hard boy break down business.
Alright, you know your niece.
Me tell you.
You know your niece bright, right? I do good in her school. Up a low school, up a receive. And you know say your mother ain't get pregnant in her school. Me have to drop out of school if did it for him mother.
Yes, I know that.
And fear her mother never did it for him. And she cry upon my shoulder every night. Just to the stress what she got through to me get her pregnant in her school. His mother and his father never did it for her. And me did it for her. Right now, your niece, my daughter, she get pregnant in her school. Level grade, the same thing happen
Wait. Where you say Shando? Where you say Shando? Come out this morning and put in some energy saving bulb in my house, all both. Me change out all light them for light come back. And I saw light come back.
Sis.
I saw light come back. I saw current come back. No man, I must joke here, me.
Shan pregnant, my daughter.
Oh, Shan
pregnant.
Ocean fi there's something they reach her, brother. Another happened to her mother at fear age. When she in a school, say when 11th grade, she in a circle down and do good at school. So what kind of fool business them and Shan keep up? How Ocean make this happen?
Just like, oh, it happened to him, mother. That's why mother throw him out.
If I didn't see him trap in I see him boat. What kind of family curse that eh?
But his mother not supposed to throw him out.
His mother throw him out because she don't know what to do. That's all she knows.
So what you telling me say?
And that's all she knows.
Throw him out?
No, she wrong for throw him out. But listen to me, brother, I have to look funny on the other side. Kind of shocking to your baby mother. And it was shocking for you too as a father. Because you know where you go through.
No
you know where you and her go through. Because of Shan.
No key.
You have to give up certain things.
Where we go through. Family are family. Friend are friend. Enemy are enemy. Family stay in a one roof and fix it. All that is family.
Alright, I understand, my brother. I see where this is going. And you're right. You're 100% right. And no matter what it takes, I will support as an auntie. It don't happen already and we can't erase it. Right? So wrong is wrong, right is right. It don't happen to Shan already. All we can do as a family now is just unite, try if you did it for her because she fall short already.
Well, at that me I do. I did it for my daughter. If she no want to do it for her daughter, you, me and daddy I did it for him. So when me want to go there now, me just wake up and tell my daughter say be it come on go talk to her mother. Me not think me want to go work today. That or that.
Alright, my brother. Remember say people say things when they're angry.
Yeah.
See? And as a mother, me know say she have a deep in her heart for the deficient. So as a father, when you deal with this and deal with this on a professional level.
Morning again, Daddy.
Morning, my daughter.
Morning, Shan.
Daddy, you think you're ready for go talk to Mommy now?
Me feel like at the best time now, because I look like rain go fall.
You ready for go talk to your mother now?
Me?
Yes, Auntie, I'm ready for talk.
Shan, more you deal with this as an adult now, because you're not a teenager no more. Because you see what you make happen to you, I'm disappointed, but me have to do it for you as an auntie. Yes, we are part of the family and we not left you out. Because what we go through, we don't want you to go through that. So make sure so when you grow on, you apologize to your mother. She will find in her heart to forgive you as a mother.
Yes, auntie.
You understand what I say? And mother's love is
Alright,
always in
thanks,
them.
my sister. Yeah.
Yes, auntie.
Yeah.
So take your time, go talk to your mother. Auntie dog,
Yeah,
work out you
so
good with the baby
far,
mother,
yeah.
see?
Alright.
And no make me know what they go on, not lock off, don't light and left me a bounce in the dark again, you know.
Yeah, man. Me soon forward. Yeah.
I'm not like them, they style they.
Alright. Come, my daughter. Think I got right here.
Time hot.
It hard for true, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really like how you're there for me, like, with everything. And with everything what me I go through, me just like how you just help me release certain stress and, you know that way there.
And a good thing that, mom. No, sorry. I mean, Mrs. Tia. No, sorry. I mean, Tia. Good thing that.
Stop calling me miss. Tia, you have to call me.
At least, me correct myself. I just do respect on the girl. Me got respect for the youth. So, me go always call her mama and miss.
Yeah, show me respect already.
Tia!
You need to
Tia!
babe!
What go on?
Yeah, no, bossy.
So you never finish cut yard?
No, sir. True, Tia didn't have stress yesterday, you know. So, me just say, I'm going to allow you to finish up it today.
Alright, and make sure you say you cut it good as usual, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So, me I go in now, so.
Alright.
Alright.
You know what you saw doing that to do.
Alright. You sweep up your too?
Yeah, man. Everything's
Yeah, man. Make sure you sweep up it good, here.
Yeah, man. Good.
Alright. Respect.
Yeah, man.
Hold on there. I don't know if Tia give you a tip, you know, but you understand? Like how you take care of me yard.
Respect. Respect.
Alright, respect here. Alright. Tia.
Someone will pay me to take care of him yard and him girl. That's money be.
Sit down, my baby. Sit down. Me just bring your daughter, my daughter. We need to talk. Family talk. No auntie, no father. Family talk. So me just want you to talk to your daughter. And she want to talk to you too. You see me? And one more thing. Although she stress out and everything from where she a go through, she still a do good. Because she a do some class same year. And she still a do good. How much subject? 11 subject. You still a do good. Me didn't tell her because you're in a little argument. Yeah, she now go up a Lucy again. Up the name, what school name again? Rushiv. We have sent her down a Manning's now and she a do very, very good. When she talk to you, I know you're going to proud of her. So just hear what she has say, me the right so.
Mommy, good morning, mommy. Mommy, we just want to say me sorry and things happen, mommy, but please, why you just forgive me? I'm going to make you happy, mommy. I'm going to do you right, mommy, even though I'm too young for you to have one baby, mommy.
Shan, we go through this already. And it's like, you still want me to go through it.
But, mommy, it's not a big deal, you know, mommy. Things happen, mommy.
It is not a big deal. Shan, being pregnant at the age. When I get
Daddy.
pregnant.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
you alright?
Yeah, man. Me alright, man. Alright, my daughter.
Baby, good?
Mm-hmm. Me good, my baby, man. Me just through all the stress how I got you and something. Me just want to know if you still love me.
Yeah.
Alright. We just deal with this as a family here.
So, mommy, like,
Alright.
I still love daddy. Just forgive me, love you, mommy.
Shan, it come like me no know.
But, mommy, remember saying, no, mommy, me not really say if it happen right, you know, because I'm wrong, you know, mommy. But, mommy, remember say, you never hold when you have me, mommy. You young like me. And your mother never did, you know, mommy. So, why you make it a big deal on me, you know, mom?
You hear them something here?
Shan.
It is not a big deal.
Mommy, daddy, hold on there, daddy. Me go and talk to you, mommy. Remember, say it's a life, you know, mommy, like, you know, if you forsake the baby like that.
Oh,
mommy.
so baby a degree and diploma.
But mommy, me I do good in a school, say me no like, say me nah do good, mommy. Me still I make you happy.
It no matter if you do good or not.
Babes, you can say something, please. Shan, this is not a moment where you tell your mother say it's not a big deal. All me did you feel? It's a big deal. Bigger than double whopper down a Burger King. Burger King a baby thing to this. Just listen, babes, just listen to me that. I want you to talk. Listen. You need to talk to your mother and see if she can forgive you. Because by any idea, you wrong and she wrong for throat you. So we want to deal with this as a family.
But daddy, me I try to talk to mommy. Auntie say me is no longer a teenager. So me I talk with understanding daddy and mommy. Me understand she our mother, she want to best me, but me I try to open-minded to talk to her. She not let me in.
Here one. Shan, you're my daughter. And me can't deny the fact, say you're my daughter, me have you. You understand what I say? But guess what? You see, even if me forgive you, Shan, I'm not going right now. It's not going to be this moment today, nor tomorrow, maybe in the future, but not now. Not now.
Mommy, but me go just have a baby and go back to school, mommy.
Do what makes you happy and your father, but me don't want to be a part of it. I don't want to be a part of
me
it.
can't ask you something, mommy. You love me?
Shan,
You don't love me, mommy.
Shan, me love you.
You don't.
Me can't have my firstborn child and I love them.
Mommy,
But sometimes I don't deserve tough love.
But mommy, nobody never show you tough love, mommy. I'm trying to say.
Tia, listen. My daughter, listen. You know, so regardless all of what go on, so your daughter, right? And at times she wrong. You wrong at times and you right. Where she a try to show you, say, the mistake where she make, you make it. Suppose you, me never did it for you and you never did it for yourself. Where she say she just need you. You can't still... Alright, no forgive him then, for now. Because you still hurt. But let him back in your life. He can focus more. Maybe he can grab a next 2 or 3 subject. But when you have him out there right now, you know focus. It'll break for him heart and it'll kill up on the inside. You don't deserve that. Tia, you don't deserve that.
Book, me can't come back from this. At least not right now. I don't have to understand, I don't have to know there's boundaries to things.
Shan.
So you prefer force me if you forgive her. Let her in back and then me mistreat her.
So mommy, you don't really mistreat her.
Shan, you how much? You soon left school now, right?
Daddy, me 16.
You know much area your mother not talk? So it will take one next 16 years if you not talk to your daughter. The same mistake where you make and she make you go have her up. Your mother never be a big enough person. And I same thing you are do now. You not be a big enough person. You not be a mother. You be a child. Like how your mother used to be a child. But one thing me I tell you. Me always going to do the fear. Me always going to love you. Because me make you drop out of school. Me. You understand? Me I go do the fear. If you don't want to do the fear, she says she want to go back to college. Teachers college. And the partner draw them when me a show the US account, everything.
She have money for you too.
Me and I ain't talk about that. You what me I say? Just go on, me I go talk to you, man. Just go on over me, baby. Go on over. You gonna make your daughter walk out? I not tell her, you not forgive her, Tia?
Mommy, just hug me up now, please.
Come on, Tia.
Mommy, you not hug me up.
Me soon come here, my daughter. Tia, you're a big woman. Big woman, big woman, big woman, big woman, big woman. And me I go tell you this. Tia. Me absent out of your life. Sometimes me da work. And me da work for 3-4 days. Maybe a week. Maybe a month sometime. That is not a good relationship. But by the end of the day, you see the relationship where it's not a good relationship. I hit to pay the bills. I make you wear them. I make you can buy all 3 dozen panty. I make you can go to Burger King. I make you can draw money when you're ready. But watch out now. think me know the reason why you avoid your daughter. You just use the belly as a, what you call it, scapegoat or scapegoat. Sorry. I think me you know the reason why you avoid your daughter. And you see why you avoid your daughter? Only somebody will come first in my life. Our daughter. So me feel like if you think about that, your daughter come first. And you know the reason why you avoid your daughter. Me know the reason why you avoid your daughter.
Why reason?
But one thing me can't tell you. You see a closet over there, so one day a closet will go open. And everybody will see what inside of the closet. Everybody will see what inside of the closet. But open not too late. Because your daughter give you more one chance. And you are going to beg him. On your knee. When you graduate from college, you know much subject. And you are going to beg him. As much as I don't want him to forgive you right now. He might want big man. And that me can't tell you. One more thing. Your daughter say, you want to go to college. You see $1 million what me give you? If you build your house. Down at your motherland. Yes. Me think more and talk to you and next time upon that. Upon your daughter future, our daughter future. Right now, I will talk to my daughter because she a cry.
I can't when me I think about him want the money for use it. Fi send Shan go college. Me nah give Shan no money for go no college. Bright and face. Jesus Christ. Oh, Tibi fi left in things them in here. Jesus Christ. But then again, it look like coloring book see if you did see it in the at least acknowledge, so maybe everything good.
Sean. What am to you?
Daddy, I don't really know. I just feel a little bit nauseous, like.
I spit ya, I spit.
Daddy, my mouth not feel 100, Daddy.
I the breed, you breed, you know. I the pregnancy make you spit and vomit. You're young, you don't even know them something there. Come go in the house. Hold your horn, turn up on your horn. Yeah, vomit. Yeah, spit. Yeah.
Jesus, Daddy.
Agree. Actually, you're pregnant, you know. I saw when people pregnant for the first, you know, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you know. You have the ashes yet? You have plum, chocolate and them thing there? Eh?
Daddy, I want to talk to you about it. I don't feel like I want to do teachers. Daddy, I feel like I want to go to teachers college.
No. No tell me say back out when you deal with me and you have.
Daddy, all of my friends them are turn doctor, lawyer, police, soldier. Daddy, I feel like I want to go straight to college and just...
Oh, none of them now turn a cruff, you know.
No, Daddy.
Talk to me straight so
Daddy,
me can understand.
everybody a turn doctor, lawyer, police, soldier. I feel like I want to go straight to college, go do nursing.
You know that you fi tell me, say you tell me, say you know, but I want to go back. So you want to
Daddy, I can't have level subject and want to sit down with baby a yard.
So what you say, you want to just have a baby
And go straight to college, Daddy.
Well, me don't tell you, me no get over the stress out and something yet, you know. Me still there beside you, I forgive you and them thing there. So as what me tell you already, me have some partner jobs, some US account, US partner where me a show and some local savings. Me put the whole of them together. You understand? I make you go do what you have to do. Come on, you make the people them want chat down the road. More you shame them. More you make your mother go down on his knee and apologize to you. And you have him up like how you have up you. I mean, I go say something to you, you know. Me know you're bright and intelligent, you know. You understand? Me know the reason why your mother have up here, you know. And I just say pregnancy, you know. A bigger reason than that. But make that stay for one next time. And your education, me I deal with it. Go and go lie down look a bit. Coloring
wake
book.
up back here, I go spit.
Yo! Where are they, lad? Pop it down. Push up the door.
I check me, say me I come check you, cause you tell me say you check me and you not check me.
Me there, sorry about that, man. As me tell you. Oh God, me glad you come check me, because me need to remember say me if you come link you. Boy, me there, boy, me have stress, me have problem, me have headache, me have blood pressure, me have seizure, me have measles, me have fix. All when me beard come like me no beard.
You have fix?
I don't see problem and the stress me have for my shoulder, man. Boy, hey, you see me head when you look a bit. If me head when just small, it's stress and bossy. I lucky things say me head big like fear. That's why me stress they no mad me, you know. If me head never big, Jesus Christ, man, me drop down. Father God, you
firm you still, although I don't know what you talk about, but I know you're firm.
So you know you're nothing on the street? You know you're nothing down a produce shop? Down a Bridget?
I want to sit me here, you know.
What?
Me here say, for your baby mother, which is your woman,
yes,
put out your daughter.
Lord
Me no hear the
Jesus
reason
Christ.
why, you know. So that's one of the reason why me come up and now if you can find out what really I want. And then one another thing we thinking actually the thinker than the one where they say put out where your baby mother put out your daughter. The one that stink at one place. Me don't even know how you not smell it yet. But me I hear say the waka man. Some Timmy, I must say Timmy name. They must say him only a cut for your baby mother yard alone, you know. He not cut the other rest of people them yard, you know. He only have time to cut your baby mother yard. Come here one man a cuss and a saying give Timmy the money the other day and Timmy say I cut the yard. And when he come check a stack of up your sign there, him have to take back your money.
You know what I want to know? The time people fast, sit down, turn up, asleep, a dream and a mind people business. If they wanna mind people business, they want, if they wanna mind for them business, they want to reach further in their life, you know. If they have one room pan their house, they want to have a bathroom and for my mind them business. But through them mind people business, they just have one room and a shit in a scandal bag.
Yes, me mind the business and about me. I have a friend you can't tell me anything. I want make your baby mother put out your daughter.
Boy, puppy done. But you see what come on now, I cut him a cut yard. Look how the yard cut good. Look there, I cut him a cut yard.
But every day say over there cut it.
I over there over here.
So now me I try to tell you.
Boy, me can't talk about me as important thing more than that now, you know. But you what me I tell you say. What me want to talk to you about?
Oh.
Sean, she asleep. What me want to tell you say. You know say why me look a wicked baby mother put out in daughter? Because, alright, you know say a girl I got receive, not true?
Yeah.
And he have much subject, him bright.
Yeah man, a brilliant girl man. Brilliant.
You never see a girl with a man yet?
No, me never see.
You never hear him in a mix up yet?
Never.
You always see me in the laptop and you look a
Only thing
nerd
me ever
glass.
hear, me only hear say see the little girl there, I go come out to something good, the little girl there
Jesus
have
Christ.
him brain pan him body.
Puppy Dan, if me never be a good father, you wanna come out to nothing good. You know say girl go take man and a breed.
All you tell. See your daughter.
Boy, me wish on him for me daughter. He go take man and him a breed.
Shan.
Me daughter a breed, Shan a breed.
All you tell. So, that's why when me forward, but I show me this stop and go pick two plum, you know. Me really forward, not there a long time, you know, because I see her speak right there, you know. But I turn back and go pick two plum, because I see two plum on the tree.
And me if you tell him say the spit where you spit, and the bad feeling, and the bowl where them bowl you. I hope them open up your book and write tonight.
But T-Dog, but you know say, not sure your daughter pregnant, you know. Your baby mother should have put out your daughter.
You know
you know.
the same thing me I say. He come like, and me and you I say the same thing when me I say. How if you put him out?
But me ask you a question. Suppose you did there, like all town at work, and your father never leave you so, and your sister never leave you so. So when he put out your daughter now, where your daughter would go?
And that me want to know too.
What a good thing say yes everybody live.
But you know, remember saying mother when put him out when me get her pregnant in high school.
Say never had a you fame burden or
They
fame
not that.
thing when go through and come dash it on your daughter.
He come like you know what me I say boy.
He drop it like he hot.
Jesus, what a wicked man. But me can't talk to you. Me and you come from 4, you know. 4. You know, so me know the reason why. Me baby mother, my woman put out my daughter.
Reason. Take time talk loud. No, nobody here. Eh?
You know, me I run a hotel up there, so not sure.
Yeah, manager.
And me come here yard yeah, sometime all 1 week, 2 week, me not come here.
Yeah, cause through hard work and everything you have to do.
So if your woman that town and you there, some breeze a blow cold. And you alone there, so you have to go up yourself on your pillar. Boy, I don't share it with my daughter yet, you know. But me can't put this a stress upon him. Always it yam me out and it a kill me upon the inside, you know. Me ball inside, me just a left around here, me ball inside for know the reason why.
So,
He might use the belly to put out my daughter.
so would you like to share the reason with me?
Sean, must sleep.
Jesus Christ. Bunnies in the ear?
Boy, no bun me I get, you know. Me I get the bakery. All the people who work at the bun shop to come like them and give me bun. The bakery. That's why the yard are cut so clean.
Yo, we have to go find the waka man there.
Me can't tell you something. All the way hurt me and me a cry inside. Hold on. Me a wipe my tears because me a cry inside. Yeah, respect.
my friend, me have to
Yeah,
help
man,
you wipe
respect.
your
Me no
tears.
care one say we are gangster. We no respect. One more time. Me a focus on my child. Me a focus on my child. Him not focus on his child. Him a focus on
Waka man.
waka man. Him alright. Me soon get over that. So you me a go there now. Me a go line up my partner jar them. Give me daughter. College.
Boy.
If you no want to do that for your daughter, me a do that for my
We are
daughter.
do right now. I tell you some respect you for that. I'm glad how you be a man and day and not follow your baby mother. Me glad how you deal with the situation and I respect you, bro. You see the girl in there, so her name Shan? You see she? Remember me tell you, so she go come out to something where your baby mother go beg for forgiveness.
I see it. Hey!
Remember me tell you.
You know say me a want over a girl?
What Shan man? Me a man and you a man. Come like see a man a give a bun over there with your
Sorry
woman.
man,
You
sorry.
foolishness.
Me say me and you come like we are over man. Cause the same thing where you pray, me a pray. If you know say he throat in daughter because of waka man. You understand? So me and you pray the same thing.
Yo, you know? Me we talk one that time cause bunnies is in the ear and me no want catch none. So look more. Go and be right to that, you hear?
Yeah.
Look more. I don't want catch none of war again.
Do we link you?
Jesus Christ, that's a waka man terrible.
Lord Jesus Christ, Father God. Come for me and tear come from and you might cheat for me when you walk a man. Lord God, I look at things that made big. Me can't hold problem. Father God, I was beating female, see. I look at things that me have focus for my daughter. Look how walk a man saying cut your heart clean, me I'll give him $1,000. And the man a cheat in my yard for my bed. I want wicked little girl. I want God beat him, you see. Alia,
So why you frighten me
Sorry for
for?
frightening you. But me I tell you say, some sitting me here in the street.
Why?
Eh, it stink of one place.
Me know me
And me
been
don't know
a
if you
hear.
smelly, you know. Me don't know if you smelly, but me ask if you smelly.
Yeah, strong.
You can't talk to your friend Tia.
Me talk to her already, you know.
Why Tia throat in daughter pregnant?
Me tell
And what
Tia-
this man?
Me tell Tia plain and straight if wrong and she take me and say I pick up for them. And she more go talk to you know, because it alright. She a
Why?
make what happened to her in her past reflect on she fear that I know.
Right now, me I tell you say what coloring book me I come from. A coloring book. In mind, they know where you so coloring book last out of this world. Right now, you come like coloring book, they are foreign, I don't even know.
Yeah, no, you don't know if you tell me no, cause me see mother day and not even talk, you know, talk to me no, and tell me say you no talking no.
But here, you know, I hear me a piece at night street, you know, and then him just tell me what I go on, you know. Me say when me hear him, I could have jump in on the ceiling tap me do it. Cause when me hear me frightened.
Me no know say Sean not do that so much. Me disappointed in Sean, yes, but by the end of the day, Tia wrong.
Everybody make mistake. Shani young.
Yeah, but Tia wrong.
I watching this, you know, say sometimes some mistake where you make, you see, you make that mistake, you can't be great, you know. We don't even know if this can happen to her right now, you go great. Eh? This a little girl, I'm hearing father say she want to be teacher. This a girl that can come be teacher, you know.
She gonna make it in her
Eh?
life, man. She gonna make
Teacher,
it.
you know. And right now, you can't come by Tia want carry in the future, you know. Tia, you going to be shame right now.
And you know, so me not think she go buy. Cause right now, Tia look like he didn't even want to see Sean.
You know him, I go want to see him later. I don't want to see him now, you know. But I want to see him later. I'm there to watch his show. Episode 1 is there now. So I wait for episode 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
You see you look a sharp boy.
I your business, my love.
Go on by your business.
I want forward for your field, dribble, score.
And the Lord.
Oh Jesus, me tired. Tia. Remember say me if you talk for other day, me need to talk to you. Come girl, sit down.
Yeah.
Left the bed, man. The bed so make up. Me want to talk to you. Cause it a get on my nerves now. You know hear how your daughter name stinky in the street and for your name.
How my name get? Am I pregnant?
Are you put her out?
And me a breed?
And you people look down pan you know and your daughter you know. If you know say I want a bright little girl now, you them a chat you know. You think them a say that a breed? Them a chat say mama walk list can put out in Pitney. And that then the pan the road they
So
chat.
let me ask you something. Me I first mama will put out one Pitney. Me I second and me sure now gonna be the last.
Listen to me now. Listen to me Tia. Me now say where like a girl do right. But by the end of the day where you do wrong Tia. Me know you don't want to hear this, but we do wrong. I'm so disappointed in you. Cause what you know where you should have looked upon, you should have looked upon and say, remember say that happened to me, you know. I don't want it to happen to my daughter. Me face life. You're supposed to try and make life look a bit easier for your daughter.
Let me ask you something. I'm not tired of the same thing every day. Every single day, young coloring book get up with the same topic over and over and over again and ringing on my ears like CD with scratch.
I mean, I stop till it connect, you know. You go wipe me, you go wipe me
No,
and wipe
for
me
your
till it connect, you know.
Bluetooth.
Yes. Me nah tap till it connect.
Where you come over here for,
I
Alia?
talk to you because we do not right here. You need to drop your daughter and you need to go apologize to your daughter. You need to make your daughter know say, your daughter, I sure know your daughter tell us say sorry. She didn't mean it. Things do happen. Mistakes were made. You make whole heap of mistake in your life. Nobody not perfect. Me not perfect, you not perfect, now your daughter not perfect.
So true, me make whole heap of mistake in my life.
Everybody make mistake.
My daughter fi making mistake, same stupid mistake what me make, and then me fi just sweep it under the carpet. Alia, I know so life go. It's not so life go.
So through your mother they fling you out a door. You fling out a pitney too.
Everything about me pass.
Because of that you do this offer. Where you do it offer? You just get up with your own mindset and say, listen me, you're breathing in my house, me a fling you out. Just that.
Alia, there's nowhere where me can forgive her right now. Me heart heavy and nobody not understand what me say. It's like when me talk it and go through the ears and come through the next one. You don't validate my feelings, my opinion, it no matter none at all.
Not right now, Tia. Me get what you say. But right now, all that matters is your child. And your one pitney. Your wash belly.
Alia, you see if you come over here, if you come and talk to me, or if you tell me say, if you take in back my daughter, or if you this or for that, Alia, me hear you.
Yes, and where you go to
But
about
guess
it?
what? Right now, me just can't do that. Me can't do that. Me cannot live in the same house with her at this moment.
Suppose your daughter never have a father, Tia.
Then
Where your daughter would have done now?
she must know.
Your daughter, if coloring book never in a picture, your daughter would have sit asleep in a one garbage bin or something right now. And you would have just sit down and so comfortable with it. You're so comfortable. If you know, so you're pitney out and eat out a garbage bin or something. Why? I don't know if it's a thing, but I'm done with this, I know. I'm done with this. When I see your daughter, I'm going to try help her.
And that's today you want to take a people problem put by your head. People problem you want
Tell
to
your
take
daughter
by your head.
16-year-old. 16-year-old. How come a people problem? Me and your friend. How come a people problem? Me don't know see me a stranger.
Hello. So true, she's 16. Me fi shield her and come my baby.
Protect her.
God. Me did I try protect her. But what? What happened trying to protect her? She let me down, Alia.
Just like how you let down for your mother.
The difference is, when me they grew up and me at 16, my mother never taught me nothing. And me sit down, the little girl, me sit down Shan day and night and me talk to Shan. Me say, Shan, you're not ready for boyfriend. Even if you do have a boyfriend, please me I beg you to use a condom. Me talk to Shan day and me talk to Shan night.
Whether your mother they talk to you day or night, it wouldn't make a difference. If you get pregnant, you would still get pregnant.
Sometimes I wonder if a karma I reach me. Me wonder if a karma. Me not even want to curse God. Me not want to do them the something there. But come earlier, just go on.
I mean, yeah, me go cause you don't have no sense right now. Me can't.
Put on my hat. Put on my hat. Where you going with my hat?
Which for your hat? I left me hat over here other day. Out of order.
Everybody the palm my case. Like I'm me pregnant. Hello, family man. Where this so long?
He's a businessman, me fear work. Hurry up talk, alright? Me have a next yard to go cut.
I understand say you have your work, but me call you about 1 hour now me wait for you now. 1 hour now me wait for you, TB.
You're lucky I never two. So hurry up talk, me have 1 woman yard to go cut. Any moment now.
Sorry.
You have bad feeling?
Me not feel good.
Me see it, man.
And what me really call you about right now, over how much months now me and such man not do nothing, you know. Cause he ever there working and you always there comfort me, you know. You there comfort me till things go on and then it go on in one time and we never stop. You understand? The last time we do it, TB, it condom burst and me never go buy no after morning pill. So you are the father.
So me want salt. Where you try to tell me, say me hyper?
What you mean by your salt, TB? TB, what you mean by your salt? You never know say your salt when you cut me land.
So you want a land for cut? Me there comfort to meanwhile me a cut a land. You want me cut outside and you want me cut inside. So
that is not the point, TB. Alright, you cut inside the land and me pregnant. So me just tell you so you know, TB, because at this point me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do, TB. So you have to go man up and take care of this pitney. That is all me I say.
No, you have to go try to get rid of it, man. I feel this a little bit of money when me make off a cut in here can mine pitney. You have to go try to get something and right now me have a next yard to go cut. So you waste my time here, man. Look, come on. Try to find the right father.
How me gonna manage? Tell me, God, how me gonna manage? Me pregnant and enough for my baby father. This coming like a more stress, add pan stress, so me have me throw up my daughter because of same pregnancy. Jesus Christ, how me gonna do this? How me gonna do? What me gonna do? What me gonna do? Father God, what me gonna do?
Girl, right now, if you tell her the truth, girl, right now you just interrupt me because a class me there, no girl. Teacher call me and say, if you do it right and things so. Me will call you back in a later when me done do what I do. Yeah. Alright.
How that?
What happened, Daddy?
There, man, look bright, daughter.
Yeah, alright.
See you smile a lot. Oh, sorry, I do some work.
Yeah, Daddy.
See you smile a lot. Love that. Stress and everything gone. Love that, man. So you do homework? Alright.
Daddy, you know, say teacher link me today and tell me, say, me I get one sponsor for further my education. So me can do 5 more subject.
God
And
is the
11 when me
greatest.
have.
God is the greatest. Father God, you see we struggling, you know? You see we pain. That is so beautiful.
Daddy,
Beautiful, not you?
Yeah, Daddy.
I wrote it in a dictionary.
But Daddy, me just want to make it right with mommy, you know.
Alright, you want me to say now? I will tell you the honest truth. You see, if you look out for your person, them not look out for you. You keep them in your heart. But look out for yourself. I not tell us if you avoid your mother, but you've been a try to make it right with her. Deal with this. To me, this is going to make up for the pregnant where you get from in a school. To me, you have more time if you can talk to your mother. You understand? And not tell me I tell us if you avoid her, you know.
Yes, Daddy.
But me know say you will go off to college and you want to know you get her blessing. So you what me I go do? Me I go over there, go link her for you. Because you know my daughter, when me real come to talk to you about, me almost want 200,000 for 2 mil. Because I don't get the power to draw it, because the time no come on the US account when I have, I not go get it till maybe next year. So when I say no, I want send 2 million in your account, that means when you college, you don't have to call me for no money. Me I work up some money for the next term. You get what I say?
Yes, Daddy.
So me need 200,000, so I go link your mother for borrow 200,000. Me not thinking so mean. Me not thinking so.
Daddy, not telling you say me kind of go on.
No, I know you and me. I will respond to you, you know. So, me soon come. And watch you now. Take off a face, the man. That a me child. That a me girl.
Yes, Daddy.
Later, me soon come.
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, later, here.
Yes, Daddy.
God is so good.
How do you feel?
I feel good today, you know.
You get up and look good this morning.
Yes,
so
man.
come on, what do you come see you take bed? Me, I wonder what wrong with you.
Boy, sometimes, you know, and I bet you want to take, but, you know,
No,
you have to just go and
you take a rest.
do what you have to do.
Yeah, alright. Well, glad to know see you come out this morning. I feel
Watch ya.
Bless up, man.
I want to
now,
go
my brother?
family meeting. Daddy, you're up on the veranda again, man.
Yes,
Yes.
man.
Feel good.
Me I tell you,
Oh, God, my
like
father,
a king.
man.
What, my brother?
Oh, God, man.
What you up to?
I'm better. Every day I'm better. I'm
Yeah,
better.
close, so.
God is the greatest.
What, me? Nothing new happen?
Well, the only thing, you know, your niece, well, she a go back to college.
That sound good.
Him said the teacher call him, somebody want sponsor him with all line subject them and certain things. So, you know, a blessing.
Me love that. Like, come
Yeah,
back
man.
and it not go away.
Yeah,
But you know
man.
why you're good, you know? You hold up your stress. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you
you
know,
work
so
for it.
a link maybe a mother car, to be honest. But me short I want 200,000 for 2 million. I want log in an account
Yes.
for when you go to college.
That no sound
Me
bad.
not thinking so wicked for not give me it. Can you have it?
Who know have and who know our parent who know have to be there for her. Me there so. Me help them with anything at all me can help with. You know that already.
Watch you now. Just thank you for there with me. You see me?
Me not have no problem with that, my brother.
So, Daddy,
Yes, man.
why? You know,
Why me there, you know?
you look how much you give what you done.
You know, really done, you know. You know, me have a pinch, me have a little bit left, man.
Alright, but you know, so me want to say something to you from already, but you never feel good.
Oh,
You know, so your granddaughter, Shan, she pregnant, you know.
yeah, man, me know, man. Me know, man.
So, hold on. So, you know.
True, me, you know, you missing nothing.
I know you tell him.
Me? No,
No,
sir.
man, no, she
I
tell me,
know.
man. Yo, let me tell you something, man. You see, sometimes you see me they think me asleep. Me not sleep, man. You right here, there's a time jump, but time no fool. See everything what go on, man.
So, where you Daddy?
Blood, fire. You know, say, do make nice door.
Yeah.
You make a little squeeze.
So, hold on, how long you know say your granddaughter pregnant?
Alright.
And in wicked mo watch him out?
Yes, man. Them boy, mama, wicked door.
Why, Father God. And you bring me, you know?
Boy.
You bring me so no care what we are going through
Yeah,
with
man.
his strong for one another.
Mm-hmm.
But anyhow, if you want the next money, you know you can make your daughter give. But me I go check him mother, because me kind of short I want 200,000. You get what me I say? Me not think the mother so wicked. So me I go link her so. When me forward back here.
A blessing, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Alright, what I love my brother.
You tell him.
No, me say man. Me tell her that already, man.
You see, I'm not trust on you, you know.
That's cool, man.
You not grown me, you know.
Nah, grown up, baby.
Alright, give me money till me come and me give you back.
Me know what I'm going, man.
Alright, Daddy.
you know-
Give me money till me come and me give you back.
I can go on, I can go on. But you don't know, say cockroach no business in a full fight.
Alright.
You know that? Me granny tell me that, you know.
You see.
And you can't tell me so too, and mommy,
Yes.
they tell me so when I time to.
You was where fall with cockroach. Then
Oh.
pick them.
Push the door, TV.
What you say, look while?
Oh,
How name Timmy?
no, one of my friend.
One of your friend named Timmy. Alright, nobody stress yourself about that. So I go on.
There.
How you look so?
I don't feel good.
You don't feel good? You catch flu or cold? Come and see someone pass spit out the door there so. I do away.
Also, one bad feeling, man, like a gas.
Gas. When you have gas, a belch, you know. You know, pit so. But anyhow, me have good news. Very, very good news. And although your daughter now get along, because you know your feeling, me feel like I want to share the news with you. Yo, your daughter do good, you know. She a mash up her whole her work them same way. Me just left from over there and need to tell you hi. All one the teacher from down a man in call him and tell him say one of them school board they want to sponsor. No, hold on there. No, the Minister of Education. You not happy for her? You not happy for your daughter?
Me happy fair, but what that have to do with me?
Tia, I'm really a try, you know. And just like your daughter, she really a try. You know, so a couple of days now, she not ask me for you. One time she used to get up and ask me for you. But anyhow, when me a try to say you know, remember what day me not talk about some money issue and them thing there. So me never really tell you. Say me a show a partner one US. Yeah, one US account partner. And me never tell you say me now one next partner. You get me I say? And then you know, it's like she want to go back to college. So me I go send her to go back to college. But me short at 200,000.
So what that have to do with me?
Me I borrow 200,000. Because the reason why I want to borrow the 200,000, I want to put on 2 million in her account. That means when she at college, she not have to call me or you for no money. So meanwhile, me down here work, me I work some money to save for the next term. So me I borrow 200,000 from you.
Me not have none. Me not have no money. Me not have no money. Where me supposed to get 200,000 from?
Tia, me know you have the money. And a matter of fact, remember say you have almost $1 million me give you for pay down for your material them. For build a little house where you, before you and your mother in an argument, you give you a piece of land down there so. Because me say you want you own something for yourself. So you can lend me 200,000 out of that, me I go give you back it when me get the partner job next year.
Me use up the money. Me use up most of the money. Me not have no money.
You use up most of the money?
Yes.
Alright. Nobody has, so, hold on. So what make you use up the money?
What that have to do with you now, coloring book? Where you come and perplex me brain for?
So me a talk to you about our daughter future, me a perplex, so me give you $1 million for build a little place yourself. For you be independent and you use it behind me back and not tell me I can't ask about it, me a perplex your brain.
What me fi find time fi tell you coloring book when you're not there most of the time? All 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 months, you gone left me alone, yeah. When me fi find time, when me call your phone, oh be me busy, me can't talk to you right now because you put work over your family, you put work over me, a matter of fact.
You know so all of what you say, you just write pan one thing you write pan. Always that work sometime. Because of the work when me get, sometimes I have to do all on 1 night, 2 nights and I come back home. But regardless, the work when I work, it a provide for you, your daughter and me. It a provide you now for parent, it a provide for you take stress. You know so what I sit down and I stress out and everything. And I wonder why you throw out your daughter. You remember me tell you say, the reason why you throw out your daughter, what's in the closet I go come out someday. You never throw out your daughter because you're pregnant, you know. You throw out your daughter because you don't want your daughter over here. Because you don't want to see what inside the closet. If I want boogie man or a boogie woman. But me I go tell you something. Me know the reason why you throw out your daughter and you know the reason why you throw out your daughter.
Coloring book. Where you want from me coloring book?
Me just want you did it for your daughter and lend me the money.
I don't have no money to give you coloring book. Coloring book, me don't know where you want from me. Listen what me I say now. From Sean born. I'm me alone. I'm me alone with her.
No, you hear yourself? You hear what yourself look while? When Sean born, are you alone? When Sean born, are you me? No you alone. Talk about that, me not complain about that. Cause you never have no time for you to put food on the table. I your daughter, you bring her come here. So by any idea you deserve all of the credit. But don't say that make you look like me look small.
Coloring book, come here ask you something. We in our relationship and we in this together, right? Money is not everything in our relationship, you know. You need to spend time with me. You're not there 2, 3 weeks, 2 months, that's why me give you a bun.
Hey, you're surprised. You're surprised how me not cry. Me cry already, man. Me cry sleepless night. Me heart break. Me cry like a baby. Me lock up in my office up at work and me cry and me cry and me cry and me say, Father God, me not deserve this. Me woman a give me bun. Me woman choke me daughter. Me daughter get pregnant. So much stress me off on my head. If me head never big, it bust. But me I go tell you something. Me know say you give me bun. Me figure out it. All along when you choke your daughter, you never choke your daughter, you choke it because you never want your daughter come sit catch him and over here. So. But me I go tell you something. You see one area, when me come over here, me see the man shirt one of me. Me see the man shoes one of my one put on right there so. And me see the man rubbers when use and left hand at the pillar, the same pillar. Let me give you your receipt. Hold out your hand. No, you give me bun. Me just never in a focus on that, although me cry. Me not focus on food data. For me data, where you not focus on. I focus on. A matter of fact, let me tell you something. You see, anytime you see me get up here and left, me I go check my data and focus on my data. And send him off, give me money making go to college. And one thing me I go tell you now. Anytime you come out of here, you look stressed and you hold up your head. You see the same money where you now give me. More you take it and go build a place for the piece of land where you have done the so. Yeah. You and your worker man can go on and come out of my place. Left the key, give me sister around there, my father, and come out of my place. Me, I go look for my daughter, and she important in my life. She not important in my life anymore. A matter of fact, all the way you put me through, just know say me not deserve it. And just know say your daughter don't deserve it. A matter of fact, you see me with the pregnant or you're pregnant. A matter of fact, I feel Timmy, not you. Or Timmy, or Tibby, which one of them? I feel baby, no, come in, no one of me. God is the greatest. Big up yourself. Yeah, we'll see your daughter on TV, maybe Prime Minister. And all I beg when him beg you, and you are going to beg him.
God, no, they always say when you dig hole, dig two. The same hole of me things a Shan dig and me drop in it.
Yeah, my father, when you show up me on the phone not too long after to come link, man. Me there saw wait, man.
Yeah, man, only for respect, man.
You say you want to revisit me, isn't me?
Boy, I mean, I'm going to tell you some stress out, you know. But me stress out. But I just look at minor things still. You got to me and say, it's like my daughter, if I go back, a matter of fact, before me even reach or something, I just tell her exactly what I go on. You never sad, but you not sad.
Whole heap of time, my friend.
Me sad, but me not sad. Me not tell you the history what you with my daughter, my baby mother and everything, my father sick and everything.
Link up on the veranda and you show me the whole pray.
The whole pray. You remember what day I think about something and I tell you say, it's like me think about and I know the reason why my baby mother choked my daughter.
Yeah.
And not because he's pregnant. You know say, what day I'm go check? My baby mother. Me and my child. And by My baby mother and him daughter talking in our house. By the time I do so boom, sit down, my hand up on the pillar, realize it's something soft. You know when you step on one of them soft plastic and you feel it because you know it's soft.
Yeah.
When me lift up the pillar, 3 rubber me find underneath the pillar.
I lie I tell.
Boy, me wish me in a lie. As me wish me in a lie.
Wicked mother man.
And by the time I take them up and look on him like so. What me I say? I know my one me come here me. You know what I mean?
Refrain win.
So boom, I know by the time I look on the bed head. Now a man shirt one for me. You think he done that so? When me look at ground, I want man shoes one for me.
Jesus Christ.
Puppy Dan, may I tell you say, in a less than 1 minute, me ball, me shit, me vomit, me head hurt me, my blood pressure go up, chinka bite me, everything happen to me. And me wholly like a man and think about my daughter. My woman I give me bun with the waka man. The same thing me I tell you. Me I tell you so that the man there over there too much. That the yard there cut too much.
Jesus
Boy.
Christ. I walk a man for true.
The waka
Me
man.
never lie.
You know the wickedest thing? Me when me see the man cut the outside yard, come in and see me cut the inside yard. Me give him 1,000 and tell him I cut the yard good.
They must mash up your heart trigger now. You
Boy,
would-
mash up my heart, you know, but me have to hold in, because you see through my head big, me can't hold problem. But anyhow, me put that on one side and bury it, you know. Cause a man you have to turn up as a man.
Sure,
But me just have a look at problem right now. My daughter do so good in a school. You know, so one of them teacher down a man in call him. Say I get a sponsor from the Minister of Education.
Yeah, Minister of
Jesus
Education.
Christ, Father God.
Congratulations to your family, my father, man.
God not sleep, you know.
God not sleep, bro.
But
How
only
your
one
mother
thing.
feel about this?
As you talk about that, me nearly slip, but me not slide. Me go link him mother and tell him me good news. Remember say me give the mother $1 million to put on for build a house
Yeah,
himself.
cause remember say she will work and sit near say if you want she have something.
And then now me short at 200,000 to 300,000 now to put on my daughter money to send him off go to college. And go over there now, go borrow the money from me baby mother.
So
He
she
say give-
get-
nah give me. Out of the $1 million and say use half of the money. You know say what there?
Waka man?
Boy there when me go over there, me I saw someone a cut yard and in a scammer shorts, scammer shirt, scammer slippers. What kind of waka man that me want for my money spent on him?
A good little that car right now he come like he live like cut nobody else yard, you know. He not cut nobody else yard, so he come like a Akima Akaza waka man all right
When
now
if he
too.
cut people yard and he breed all my baby mother over there.
Oh, Jesus Christ. No coloring book, me have to sit down.
What you saying though? Me saying breed my baby mother pick and hawk and a pick. Like in check me there, you know.
But your baby mother go on with things and I disrespect you. And that's why I run out your daughter, you know.
Them me not tell us how that's why I run out my daughter.
But anyways, after that I know, waste about the 200,000 now, bro.
Well, me kind of feel disappointed because I know me go tell my daughter say I want 200 to 300 more thousand. If me want lodge on $2 million in the account for when you go to college next year, because you know October winner now. More when you go there now for call me for no money. More want him just do what him a do, and meanwhile me down here me a work and I look about some more money.
You know where we can get the 200,000 from.
Boy, me check your partner woman, you know. Remember say me have one US account where me a choose some partner with. And me not get partner draw till next year.
Paul, if you coloring book, you want good youth. You see me? Other day, you do something great for me. And before that, you been a do great for me. Because when you work, you always a puppet and see a beer money. Even though me I do my work too, you still look for me as a virgin. So here what I go on now. No? Me have one look of money in my account, you know. You see me? When me say me that go sort out something, because me did one look movement. You see me? So me did I say, yo, me did want like 400,000 more, because one virgin tell me saying can sell me one car for 600. So here what I go on now. Yeah, I'm a virgin. I'm a respect you. I'm a love you as a virgin. So you see the 200,000 that me have, you see me? I think around 242 something me have in it. I go lend the 200,000. You see me? And when you can give me it, you give me it back. Because if your daughter, when your daughter go have a good future, and you spend money on her somewhere to make you proud. Me have an account number already. I go transfer it 200,000 to you.
Puppy Dan, hear what me I say, man. As much as me want the money, you go to your struggle, you know. Remember say, you link more than you say your girlfriend want to work and me
Yeah,
get
make
to
she
the
get
work.
to work and that me I try
But
to show
you. You want buy your car, me can't take it 200,000 all I want it.
No, just listen me I say no bro. Me need 400 and odd thousand more to get the vehicle. And me not have it right now.
So you can't lend me 200,000 till next year.
Me I tell you
Cause
bro.
October winner now.
I hit me I tell you me can't lend you.
God yo, bro, I swear to God. Me no know yo.
Remember so my mother they are foreign, so if me get the money before if I buy a car, me can just make my mother send me a money
Yo,
until I give me the
Jesus
gear back.
Christ. Yo, bro. Yo, holy for respect, man.
Mom to your father, man.
Oh, God, man.
Holy for things I do for me, man.
Yo, watch out, yo. Could man.
Make your daughter go to school and
I go to give man bad news right now, you know. Oh, yo,
Sure.
watch out now. Me have to give me happy news right now. Yo,
me send
yo,
it, man. Me have
father,
your account.
respect and thanks.
Watch out now. Me send it 2:30 because I need to buy a beer. What you do?
Bumbert!
Yeah, man. Me must say make woman get work, man. And no
Jesus
woman work and I
Christ,
save her
yo.
money right now. So me I go look about it.
You lift up me. Yo, thank you, father. Here.
G, man.
Oh, God, man.
Continue have a good
Yo, respect here.
Go and focus on
Oh, God,
know you
man.
go to your problem, your daughter.
Yo, me I make sure know enough. Oh, God, man.
Alright,
Thanks here.
bro.
Jesus Christ.
Good youth always a suffer in a youth coloring book. I'm a general in a youth coloring book. Not deserve this in a youth. What a man should go up a man here and cut the woman grass, you know, and left all and pick me up there, you know. Go on all the firm G. No shall not go make you proud. That is a must.
Daddy, you come back quick, dog.
Yeah, man, I come back, man.
Daddy. What mama say? Daddy, how are
Sean. You are going my daughter. You know me have your back. No care where you go through. No care who. I want to support you. I go do that for you. Because I'm your father. Maybe also with your mother. I'm your mother too. But you are going. I talk to your mother, you know. I talk to your mother. And your mother now will lend me money. I'm short at 200,000
just because I'm make sure I'm going to no.
Just because. The only thing I about you, but I really want to talk about that right now. I deal with my stress and also your stress. So I not think you have
Daddy,
go
I
back college.
don't think mommy love me.
Can't tell you the truth, I can't answer that right now. But I one thing I'm sure, looking at my face, baby. And one thing I'm sure, I know so daddy love you. Stand up and listen. See if you not go to college this year, I'm just sure say I go to college next year when we get my partner job then. But
what, Daddy?
a lucky thing say in a life you have to have good friend. You know my friend Poppy Dan. Poppy Dan lend me the 200,000.
Oh God, Daddy. Daddy, don't do that again, man.
Yeah,
I'm
not sure.
start fighting again. Daddy, Daddy, thanks. Thank you very much, Daddy. I appreciate it. I love you. Thanks.
Alright, my daughter, here?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
You've made it to the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, I don't know how much more to thank you know. I just want to big up all of my fans them for your support right through. You understand? Big up True World TV, Coloring Book TV. Big up David and come in, my G.
Wanna say True World TV, bad channel for all I movie them. Here I say David and himself, one night time, slam bam, boom one night time. And we I say this a movie, Wicked Mother. Thanks for making it to the end. Remember, hit the like button, left a subscription, left a comment with all your favorite movie them, and your favorite actor them, actress them, everything. And watch now. It's like how we in a storm weather approaching, just jump over and go and watch some of the other movie channel them too. Cause we are all heap of action I put out for them, man. You see me? Not sure here.
I don't lie.
I don't lie. So I don't know what to do. Alright.